Hi guys, I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown of the rods and reels I used on our latest bass trip. I decided to take two Black Label version 2 rods, both in the 1 to 3 kilo range. I always prefer to fish a little bit lighter, a bit more finesse style. And on those rods I had a Cetate 2004 and I had a Gecko Air 2003. Both reels were spooled with 10-pound braid. One had 10-pound J braid and the other one had 10-pound more than. I had one rod set up specifically for top water, which had 10-pound braid and had 15-pound monofilament leader. And the other rod I had set up for subsurface, which had the 10-pound braid and anywhere from 8 to 12-pound fluorocarbon leader. Personally, I prefer the lighter rods and reels, especially on long trips like this where we're doing lots and lots of casting. But any of the heavier rods, in the 2 to 4 kilo or even 3 to 5 kilos with the 2500 reels will do the job just as well. Again, it just comes down to personal preference. Thanks for watching.